What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Slim, also known as the Chef. I just want to say what's up. Thank you for clicking on this video. You didn't have to, and you did. Now stay forever. So on this channel, we're here to level up your trading game, all right? We don't come to play. And today, we're going to be talking about the top 3 reasons why you are still failing as a day trader. But don't worry, these things can be fixed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So first up, the number one reason why you are still failing as a trader is because you don't have a solid plan to stick to that tells you when to get in, when to get out, what to do while you're actively in the trade, what times you trade, what instruments you trade. And all of these things are very vital and crucial to your trading success. And the data shows that 70% of new traders hop right into the markets without any plan at all whatsoever. So in other words, they're just winging it. And in trading, that's the recipe for disaster. No pun intended. No pun intended. So without a plan, you're relying on emotions, which lead to impulsive decisions and unnecessary losses. So here's what you can do to actually fix this problem. Create a detailed trading plan, all right? I'm talking it outlines everything A to Z, such as what is your daily goals, your risk tolerance, your entry and exit points, and rules to manage your trade while you are actively in a trade. Stick to it and do not deviate at all whatsoever. And I promise you, you will start to see consistent profitability. Like for me, for instance, my trading plan goes something along the lines of I will trade in between the hours of 8:30 Central Standard Time until about noon Central Standard Time. The instruments I trade are NASDAQ, aka NQ, or ES, aka S&P 500. I will do my top-down analysis every day from the daily down to the 5-minute time frame, where I will be taking my entries. Every day, I'm going to mark up my key levels, key support and resistance, supply and demand zones, and I will only trade at those levels. Depending on how many confluences I have, I will risk 0.5% up to 2%, sometimes even so forth and so on. I can go on and on into my entire trading plan, but that is exactly how you need to attack the markets each and every single day. And I guarantee you will start to make some money, all right? Now, I'm not going to steer you wrong. You're going to make some money you start doing that. Promise. Reason number 2 is going to be poor risk management. All right, here on this channel, we have a motto, and the motto is survive until tomorrow. Studies show that most new traders risk entirely too much on their trade, which ultimately is going to lead to catastrophic losses and blowing your trading account. Improper position sizing is honestly going to be your biggest downfall. All right, there's no reason you should have, let's just say for instance, a $1,000 account and you're risking up to $500. Why would you do that? Now, a lot of people say you only need to risk 1 to 2%, but if you're trading a $1,000 account, I would say something a little bit more fair would be risking $50 in order to make $100. That's doable. That's something that you can do and replicate over time, continuously grow your trading account. And once you then build that cushion, then you can start taking bigger risks, such as risking $100 to make $200, $200 to make $400. But what you really want to do is make sure that you survive until tomorrow. If you completely blow your account the day prior, the very next day can give you that A+ setup, but you have no money in your trading account to take that setup. So I want you to think of it like this. Even the successful traders lose. So to be politically correct, I'm going to give you the advice of saying that you should only be risking 1 to 2% per trade. And more importantly, make sure that each and every single trade you take, you have the proper stop loss set. All right. Don't be out here taking trades without a stop loss. You are actually a degenerate if you do that. And this very small adjustment can make or break your entire trading career. So please know that this is a very important step, by far the most important step, because you can't make that zillion dollars tomorrow if you have $0 to trade. And reason number 3, and our final reason, is going to be over trading and lack of consistency. So many traders, especially beginner traders, get caught up in this fantasy of making $1 zillion quick, fast, and easy, the Lambos, the mansion, which is going to make you over trade, all right? And you're not gonna trade consistent. Over trading not only costs you a lot when it comes to fees and commissions and things of that nature, but it also costs you a lot mentally, leading you to burnout and poor decisions. This is why my attack often each and every single day is to get in and out of the markets as fast as possible, because you start to make bad decisions the longer you look at the charts. Trust me, I've been there. And honestly, to this day, I still find myself making bad decisions when I'm on the charts too long. So if you get on the charts and you make some money, take your money, see the markets the next day. If you get on the charts and you take a small loss, maybe potentially look to take another entry a little bit later on, or just get off the charts and wait until the next day. Because one thing for certain and two things for sure, unless this economy completely explodes, the markets will be here tomorrow for you to take another trade. So don't rush it. But the easy enough solution to this will actually be to just focus on quality over quantity. All right. It's not about how many trades you take, but definitely more so about the quality of the trades you are taking. Are you following your rules? Or do you have that plan you created from reason number one? Do you have that plan, and are you taking trades that coincide with that plan? Are you taking good setups? Are you following the trend of the market, or are you trying to trade against it? Are you taking, your buy positions when you're supposed to be buying, and are you taking your sell positions when you're supposed to be selling? Whatever the case may be, are you taking proper trades? And even if you lose that trade, I always say there's a good loss and there's a bad loss. A good loss just teaches you a lesson. A bad loss is those trades we take based on emotion, based on FOMO, based on all of these different aspects. But a good loss is I follow every single one of my rules. All right, I checked off every single box for my entry criteria. I got in the trade and it went against me. That is a good loss, because we can back that data up and say, all right, this trading strategy has a 60% win rate. So of course, I may win 6 trades, but there's still those 4 trades, out of 10 that I could lose. And that's just probably one of the losing trades that you take out of, the entire 60% win rate, which is a pretty good win rate. So just always remember that trading is a marathon. It is not a sprint. And if you are taking good quality trades, ones where you know that you have a very, very high chance of profiting the most, those are the trades where you make the most money. Those are the trades where you risk a smidge bit more, and you look away and you turn all your computer off and you run and you hide underneath your blanket because you don't want to see the P&L, fluctuate. You're gonna have trades like that, of course. But all in all, quality trades are what we are looking to take. Remember, it's quality over quantity. So there you have it. Simple enough. Those are the top 3 reasons why traders fail and are unprofitable. Of course, I could have said the number 4th reason was that traders quit. But I mean, we're talking about the people that's going to stick to it and keep going no matter what. So we don't talk about the quitters. So remember, success in trading comes down to consistency, preparation, and discipline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And before I let you go, I do want to let you know that I am currently selling my day trading course for $25, but it is a limited time offer. I only have 100 more spots available for this course, so please do yourself a favor and don't hesitate. Get in on this course as soon as possible, because the price will go up to $500 after that. I just want to be open and transparent, and I want you to get in on this. I want the go-getters. I want the people that are ready to leap right now. So if you've been wanting to learn how to trade, or maybe you have already been trading but you're not seeing profitability, please allow me to be your mentor. And if you do so, I just want to be the first to say welcome to the mafia, and thank you for choosing me as your mentor, because you could have chose anyone. So with that being said, if you feel like these tips and tricks have helped you or could help you, go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite. And as always, everybody, most importantly, the best part of it all, this is what we come here to do. Let's cook.